I thought we'd take a break today from showing you some of the great county parks in Charleston and Low Country area. And so today I'm out here at one of the residential communities, Bay Plantation. Bay Plantation is one of the fastest and largest growing communities in the state of South Carolina and in Berkeley County specifically. In this neighborhood, you'll find almost everything you need for living. It has your banks, your places of worship, neighborhood schools, elementary, middle, and high school, grocery stores, dentist offices. It has doctor's offices. And for those who enjoy senior adult living, it even has a Del Webb Communities specifically for you. It even has a YMCA located right here inside the plantation, next door to a Berkeley County library. It's got everything you need here. There's so many communities up and coming in this area. There are currently 70 homes on the market right now that are for sale. I would love to show you some of these homes. I can actually do you a free search of some of the homes in the neighborhood here, and it wouldn't cost you anything. So if you just let me know, contact me. I would love to do a search for you to find your perfect dream home. Give me a call, 843-209-2801. For more information on our county parks in Charleston County and the Low Country area, and for other recreational things to do, please click on my other videos. And don't forget to click subscribe.